Okay, today I'm going to be demonstrating a vacuum coffee maker and how it works, and I'm going to show you. I usually use this Folgers Black Silk, and I have the Cuisinart coffee drip coffee maker, and here are a couple examples of some beautiful. These are from the Great Depression era. You can tell they have the narrow neck. They saved on everything they could, and but I collect these. They're beautiful. They make excellent coffee. I've not found a better way to brew coffee. Now this is late 50s, early 60s. It's got the wide mouth. Alright, now they usually come with a filter such as this. It's a porcelain filter with a cloth top, a spring. You drop it down in the tube of the upper pot, and there's a little hook right here that hooks at the bottom. You just pull it down and hook it. Now that's your filter. Now you can also use these. This is what I use. It's a little cleaner. It's a glass filter rod, and if you can see it's pocked so that the water can go through but the grounds can't. So I got my water heating up to kind of rush this. Just drop your filter in and add your coffee. Now this is an older pot. I don't know, the gasket's dry, and it's just one I just use around the house. But I put 2 scoops of coffee in this. This is a 8-cup pot. Alright, it comes to temperature, and the water comes up to the top pot. It's already going, mixes with the grounds. They say you should let it steep for a minute or 2. I normally don't. I just let it go up and then remove it from the heat, and set it aside, and it will create a vacuum and pull the coffee back down to the bottom pot. I don't know, I kind of might have messed this pot up. I should have already had my grounds in it, but it'll be alright. There it goes. You see it's bubbling and it's peaking. So yeah, you let it peak for a minute, and then you just move it aside, and once it starts to cool, like I said, it will create a vacuum and pull the coffee, and only the coffee, down to the bottom pot. So I'll go ahead and remove it from the heat. Alright, watch, it really doesn't take long, and there it goes. It's already beginning, but like I said, it'll make a vacuum and it will suck it right back down to the bottom pot. And